Hello guys, in this video we're going to be discussing how to install Jupyterlab, right? So Jupyterlab is basically just a lab that gives you access to Python notebook. You'll be able to see interactively how everything is going, in the Python notebook, and you would also be able to write scripts, basically just gives you an environment where you develop everything you need, especially for data and AI enthusiasts. So let's install Jupyterlab. So first of all, you need to install Python. If you've not installed Python before or you don't know how to, just look in the description or anywhere on the screen. You should see an information button showing you a video on how to install Python. So let's head over to our terminal. Let's launch our terminal. You can just come here and just type command prompt. Yeah, it should come up. Once we're in here, in order for us to test the Python has been installed, we could just run this Python version. Then you see I have version 3.1.4, right? So make sure you're using the latest version of Python, right? So we'll just go ahead to install this. We have pip install just on Jupyterlab. Just type this and then hit enter. So once it's done, it's now ready for us to launch. Ta-da! And so how do we launch Jupyterlab? Now you can launch it from the terminal, right? And for now, we are not going to install the desktop application. Maybe we'll do that in the next video. But for now, we'll just go ahead and we'll run it from the terminal. And how do we run it from the terminal? Easy peasy. So each time you come, you don't have to install again. You just come, you open your terminal, Jupyter space, then lab, hit enter, then wait for it. This should open up depending on the speed of your computer, but this should open up in your browser depending on the speed of your system. Might ask you to choose, your browser. So I don't want to rest all of these pages. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open this guy up. Then of course it gives me a Python notebook. So I used to have a Python notebook, right? So it just opened up the previous version I had, right? So I'll just go ahead and if you want to start a new notebook, you would have this Python. This is the notebook, right? This is a console. This is a terminal, this is a text file, this is a markdown file, this is a Python file. This is not the video where I teach you about Jupyterlab. In the next video, we'll learn how to install Jupyterlab, and subsequently how to work with Jupyterlab. But in this video, let me just show you the notebook option. So once you click on this, if you don't want to open the notebook here, you can navigate to the folder containing your file. For example, if you have that in documents, you just open up documents, then when you open up documents, you could just create, right click and then new notebook. Select to open a new notebook in that particular place. You just select, yeah, and then you have this here, right? Go ahead and close this. Yeah, discard, please. Same here, discard. I don't want to save any changes. Okay, so of course the basic thing, print hello world, right? Data, your first programming language, you could see how fast it is. So depending on the speed of your system, this could be very, very fast, right? You do not need internet connection to run Jupyterlab, right? You only need internet connection to install. And subsequently, you can use this offline. You don't need internet. In fact, it does not use your internet connection, except if you're trying to run something that requires internet. But as for running your codes, it does not need internet connection. So smash the like button and drop us comments. Thank you for watching.